Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So as you can see on this my screen, my display is like overlapped and I cannot see the edges of my screen. So here's how you can fix it. Just go to the search and search for Intel Graphics Command Center. Click on it, wait for it to be opened. Just give it a sec, it should be there any second, initializing, and after that just maximize it. So here on the left you can see the display. Just click on it, and here on the top you will see all of your available displays. I have got 3, 1, 2 and 3. So basically my this third display, it's overlapping, so I will select it first here, and in this general settings you will see option of scale. So in front of scale you can see this drop down. So from here select custom and go to the settings, and after that you can see here these rollers which you can just scroll and adjust as you wish. So once it's done, just click cross from here and you are good. So hope this video helps. Give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more these kind of solution tips. Take care. Bye.